Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this app from Arvin apps. Now open, and all you have to do, just follow the same steps like in this video, so take a look. Right now, when you make it, we can finally go back and take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks very close to the original iOS theme. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.